Hello, second grade. This is your WES Home Learning Plan tutorial. Your home learning plan is 2 pages long. On the left-hand side, you have your list of subjects. We are going to look at 1 full day of the material given to you. This way you can see how to manipulate the links and go to the page numbers that are marked. Let's look at Monday. On Monday, you start with sequence of events for reading. You'll click the blue link, and it's marked to go to page 50 and 51. The link sends you to your Journeys book. At the top, you'll type in 50 and press enter. This will take you to the page that you need to look at, and you can use the arrow to go to the next page. After that, you'll listen to the story. Luke goes to bat. When you click that link, it takes you to the audio hub where you will click the story.
Luke goes to bat.
The audio begins right away. Your teachers have also marked for you to follow along with the text. Go to page 53, and there's your story. And you can follow along as the audio reads it to you. Next, you'll go to Vocabulary and Context, page 48 and 49. Click the link. At the top, type in page 48 and press enter. You will look at page 48 and use the arrow to go to page 49. For writing, you are writing the prompt, I get excited when. Remember, nothing needs to be printed at home. You can just use notebook paper and write out answers to any of the assignments given to you. For grammar, you'll be going to page 17. Click the link. Type page 17 at the top. And again, pull out a piece of paper and a pencil and write your answers on that page instead of having to print this out. For phonics, you'll go to page 16. Again, using a paper and pencil, you can write down your answers. And then you're reading the story, Bright Lights. Which you can find using the contents. And there's Bright Lights. On the next page, you have Foundations. You'll click your vowel teams, and it'll take you to a YouTube video. And then you're reviewing Unit 12. And here are your pages to review Unit 12. You can scroll through and use a paper and pencil to answer the questions instead of printing out the worksheets. For math, you're going into your Go Math book, and it starts off with your essential question and your lesson. Then you are practicing the following pages, 498 to 499. It pulls up your Go Math book, and at the top, you'll type in the page numbers. And you'll do both pages. Then you'll go on to Reflex Math. There's a tutorial posted on our YouTube page to show you how to use Reflex Math if you aren't familiar. Once you click the link, go to Login, Student Login, and then type in your information that you use in school. If you're unsure of what your login is, reach out to your teacher on Class Dojo or email, and they'll be glad to tell you your login. For Science, Social Studies, and Health, you will be doing a Think Earth pretest. And this will be easy to add onto your paper and pencil instead of printing out the worksheet. For PE, you can choose an activity on Go Noodle. And for your enrichment, you'll be going on to Admentum for your exact path. And it's noted on it that you are doing your reading. Keep in mind that any logins you don't know, your teacher has and will be happy to give them to you. These learning plans will be posted on your Class Dojo page, the Weirton Elementary School website, and the Weirton Elementary School Facebook page.